Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enter BIOS on Gigabyte B600 series of motherboards. To do this, first you'll need to grab your keyboard and find either F2 key or delete key. Then keep pressing on those buttons and power on your PC. Keep in mind that your PC needs to be shut down, and to enter the BIOS you will need to power it on while pressing on those buttons. And that way, let me try, we should be able to enter the BIOS. Like this. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.